Alright guys, we're in the Bellefontaine Caledon area. We're going to test out these wheels now in really snowy conditions. We can see here that we have the snow, well, I would call this really a blizzard, and we're going to try it out with these wheels, these brand new wheels here. This is the winter package on the Model 3. It's like about 3 inches of snow right now, so we're going to go ahead and test it out and see exactly how it performs. Alright, welcome back again. We are going to be testing out the Sottozero winter tires on the Model 3 here, and we have perfect conditions here now because we just had what appeared to be like a blizzard,
a snowstorm. Yeah,
snowstorm. So we have about 3 inches of snow here, and we're going up a little uphill here, and seems to be handling it pretty well.
We're going to turn right
here. I'm not too sure why this thing is going like crazy. That's the first time I saw that parking sensor is being obstructed. I think that's the ultrasonics actually got obstructed from so much snow on it. We can see a clear screen too as well, so there's no FSD available here, and some random, I was seeing that car's a person or something. So that's strange.
Looks like somebody needed to get pulled down here.
Oh yeah, someone got stuck in, or they fell into there?
I'm not even sure. I mean, they have police in there. Oh, we have a nice big hill coming up.
Oh boy. Let's see how this goes.
I think as long as you maintain a steady pace, right? What do they normally say is the best practice, like for this?
To just maintain the same speed and don't accelerate uphill, because then you will spin out. FSD is back online.
Yeah, the lines.
Just trying to see. Yeah. Now we actually have the opportunity to really test it out fully here in where are we again? I always forget.
Like Caledon, Bellefontaine area.
Yeah, Bellefontaine area, Caledon area.
Oh, we're going too
and
close.
It's a lot of snow. There's a lot of snow going on here.
Yeah, it's very north, so yeah, it's definitely
not that north though, but it's just like
it's pretty north, like kind of like equal to Richmond Hill-ish.
And all the lanes are covered in snow, so right now it's.
I mean, doesn't even know where we are right now.
There's a lead car, so it should be able to follow the car in front of us, but
they're a little risky right now. So for anyone who wants to go to Bruce Trail in the winter, this is probably expect more than this actually, because it's still early in the season. I think we should just clarify this is not FSD right now.
Yeah, definitely not.
It's not really ready for these conditions.
Yeah, so FSD is not engaged. We have 10.69.
2.4.
2.4, and we just fishtailed there, making that right turn that wasn't salted. So that was a little bit sketchy. A little bit
very sketchy.
But besides that, so far so good. So someone just
now
slid into the ditch and
oh no,
they're gonna have to pull them out.
Now the dirt on the road is really getting on the windshield and obstructing our view.
Then it's pretty cold outside. It's -7 degrees Celsius.
Oh, I think we lost FSD.
Yeah, we lost FSD again.
I'm not sure if it's a connection issue or if it's or if it just can't see.
Let's check the cameras and see the conditions of
it. This is poor weather detected, so yeah, it's not seeing with the cameras.
Low visibility on the rear camera, and
Like
on
a
the
huge blind
right
spot.
and left cameras, they are pretty much covered. Low visibility too as well. It's not completely, there's not no visibility, but it's really low visibility on those cameras.
Even this front could be a bit better too. Like it's not really cleaning it up so well.
So with the Sottozeros, in -7 degrees with heavy snowfall, with mild or decent traction. Let me get out of this lane here because it's not a lane I want to be in. Actually, oh boy, I just want to keep my distance.
You want to clean
Roads
the
are really,
windshield? I just don't like
really
how
bad
it
right
takes
now.
so long to clean it. That's the only thing. And then you end up having to distract yourself by cleaning it constantly.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like with snowfall, even with FSD or even just regular auto
Windshield
wipers, it doesn't recognize the actual snowfall until your whole windscreen is covered, or probably just the camera is covered. So I'm hoping they bring some improvements with that one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Let me just take that
It's
off.
on auto.
So it just freaks out with heavy snowfall. So it's
For no
kind of
reason.
strange, yeah. But then, yeah, going back to the topic, we have the Sottozero winter tires, the winter package installed on our Model 3 rear-wheel drive standard range edition. And if you look at the range, if we go to, then you have this guy speeding here. So that's how you end up in a ditch, essentially. It's
Consumption?
So we're going
That's really low.
So
Well, no,
170,
that's good, right?
that's not bad. Because usually I would see around 180, 200. But right now it's at 170 watt-hours per kilometer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so again, we haven't engaged FSD. I really don't want to take that chance right now because it's pretty busy. In the fast lane. I can try FSD now, see how it works.
It's a bit clearer, yeah.
But again, I'm not too sure if it's going to preheat or defog those cameras, those side cameras. I'm not even sure if they even have that. Let's check it out.
I mean, the back is really clear. The side's questionable. I think you gotta get on the 410. That's not a good stop.
I mean, the road conditions, it is salted. There's not much snow on the road, so
It's still wet though. I wouldn't.
It's fine in this case, but if they had any kind of snowfall that wasn't removed, it could have caused an accident. And that's it, folks. Our full review of Tesla's winter tire package, which is the Pirelli Sottozero 3s. Don't forget to help us out by liking, subscribing, and clicking the notification bell for more content like this. Thank you, and have a good one.